In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Affirm spending limit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your spend now amount and your daily and monthly card limits inside the Affirm app and what those numbers actually mean. First, a quick overview. Your Affirm card has limits for pay in full transactions. The key one to know is your spend now limit. That's the maximum you can spend without setting up a payment plan. It's different from financing, it's simply how much you can use to pay in full with your Affirm card at that moment. This limit is personalized and can change over time. It's based on your purchase and repayment history with Affirm, and it's only available when you have a bank account linked to your Affirm card. Keep in mind, these limits are dynamic, so don't be surprised if they adjust as you use your card and make payments. Now, let's find your limits. This all happens in the Affirm app since card management is only available there. If you have an external bank account linked to your Affirm card, open the Affirm app and head to the card tab. To see your pay in full limit, look for the toggle and switch it to pay in full. Then tap see details. That screen will show your current spend now limit for paying in full. Next, if you want to view your daily and monthly Affirm card limits, tap the settings gear icon. On the settings screen, select View Card Limits. You'll see your current daily cap and monthly cap, which help you understand how much you can spend within those timeframes. If you have an Affirm Money account linked to your Affirm card, the steps are very similar. Open the Affirm app and go to the Card tab. Toggle to Pay in Full, and you'll see your Affirm Money account balance, which functions as your pay in full limit in this setup. For your daily and monthly limits, tap the settings gear icon and choose View Card Limits to see those amounts. A few helpful notes as you check these numbers. Because your limits are influenced by your repayment behavior, making on-time payments can help keep your account in good standing. Also, the spend now limit is only visible when a bank account is linked to your Affirm card, so if you don't see it, that's often the reason. Finally, remember that these views are specific to the app. You won't find the same card management options on the web. That's it. You now know where to find your pay in full limit and your daily and monthly limits in the Affirm app, whether you're using an external bank account or an Affirm Money account.